Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to buy Tether on Moonpay app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Moonpay application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Moonpay if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. In the top side of the screen, we have the buy, sell, and swap. Then we have, as you can see, the Moonpay account, your popular tokens, and in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, notifications, default currency, theme, support, terms and privacy, delete your account, and the logout option. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and buy Tether on Moonpay. So first of all, download the Moonpay application, as I told you, and create an account. Then select Tether USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. So when you go and buy, you just need to go and type, when you're here, you just need to go and click on, as you can see, Tether. Then, of course, you need to go and put the number of how much you want it. So here you can go and type a number, and minimum is here. So minimum is $30 US. Then just click continue, put your payment information, and there it is. You will then have Tether on your Moonpay application. It is pretty straightforward. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. That will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.